him cook! I said let him cook!
If you want a demon back to wow all the boys and scare all the girls, then here's the highly requested pull day that you've all been asking for. We're starting off with everyone's favorite, the unilateral cable pull down. Quick tip, don't get too strong, otherwise it'll make lifting weights a lot of effort, but once you get the setup going, this exercise feels amazing and it also looks really freaking cool. Stop just before your lats disengaged, keep constant tension on your lats throughout the movement and keep it controlled throughout the entire movement as well. Moving on to the seal row. If your gym has an incline T-bar row, then I'd use that instead. My gym is just doo-doo and it doesn't have that, as well as no heating, so my nipples were really hard and you probably didn't need to know that. The next exercise is the mid-back cable row. You want to think about keeping your elbows a little bit higher and pulling out a little bit wider to target your mid-back. Then we've got the lat pull downs with D handles. You don't have to use the D handles, but I personally prefer them over normal lat pull downs as I just feel it a lot more. Then we're finishing off with 2 bicep exercises. The first being the single arm preacher dumbbell curl. Make sure you're working with a manageable load so you don't snap your shit up, because we're working with a slow tempo and a full range of motion here. And then the final exercise is the chest supported cable curl. Keep your elbows locked in place, get that full extension, and we're working with a super high rep range here with a short rest timer, because why not?
What's going on, guys? Back with another video. I'm going to put those croissants in the oven, so save this one for later. Alright, so boom, we starting with the tricep pull downs, 4 sets of 15, then we're going straight into the half reps. Your elbows are only going to go to 90 degrees on these, alright? And then boom, we're going straight into the overhead tricep extensions, 4 sets of 10 each arm, squeeze to the top. Our next move is going to be an incline skull crushers, 4 sets of 12. I feel like you get a better range of motion with these. Last but not least, we're going to finish it off with the dips, 3 sets of burnout. And as always, enjoy the pump, guys.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की.
Today we hit men's physique Olympia champion Aaron Banks' back workout. When I hit this, I knew there was a reason why he won. Look at the pump in my back on them rack pulls. He starts out with cable pullovers doing 4 sets of 20. I'm not gonna lie, in the beginning I was like, man, this kind of OD, but that pump was already going crazy. So then we get to T-bar rows. We hitting 4 sets of 8 to 12 heavy sets. And this is when it kind of started to make sense why he started out with 4 sets of 20 on cable pullovers. Because when I got to lat pull downs, the contraction and blood I was feeling in my back was probably something like I never felt. Here he's also doing 4 sets of 8 to 12. Then he moves on to heavy rack pulls, 3 sets of 10. I normally don't do these a lot, but from doing this sequence, I might start incorporating them more into my back workouts. Then we hit the infamous eubank row. If you've been on Instagram, you've been seeing everybody try this movement. I actually like it and I want to try it again to improve my form. As always, man, free game, like and follow.